Hey, what do you say, my fellow weekend warriors? Fire up your smokers to 225 degrees Fahrenheit. Use your favorite wood or pellets. I'm using the fruit wood blend, and we're gonna be smoking up these chicken breasts today. It won't take very long. This is a really simple recipe. You guys are gonna love this. And to go with the smoked chicken breast, I'm gonna make a fresh peach salsa, some fresh Georgia peaches I picked up. I'm really excited about that. And hey, if you're new here, my name's Mike. I'm all about cooking outside. I love firing up one of my smokers on the weekends. Sometimes it's a pizza oven. We're always trying out some really nice, easy recipes. If you guys are into that, hit that subscribe button and let's get into these smoked chicken breasts. And I'm cooking 5, but this recipe works the same if you're doing 10 or 2 or 4, it doesn't matter. These are good sized breasts, and so we're gonna rub them up. This rub here comes from a subscriber. His name is John. He's been down in the comment section from day one that I started this channel, so I really appreciate him. And he sent me this Fergalicious Love Red Hot Dry Rub. It's got sugar, spices. It's gonna go really good on this chicken, and it's gonna pair really nice with our peach salsa later. So I'm not using any binders or anything like that. We're just gonna go straight to the meat with the rub. A nice coating. Just like everything we do, we're going to cover all the sides. You don't have to go too heavy. Nice and light. And then we're going to put them into a foil pan. This will help keep our smoker clean. And I'll just go ahead and get the rest of these real quick. And here they are in the pan. Now, of course, you could do the dark meat. If you wanted to do chicken thighs, this would be just as good. I would remove the skin. We're going at a low temperature today where it's not gonna get crispy. And because these are the breasts, it's a dry meat, we're gonna put some butter on there to help baste them while they smoke. So I'm just gonna go 2 pieces per chicken breast. Just like that. And now we're ready to get them in the smoker. The whole idea here is we want low and slow heats so they can take on a lot of smoke. They don't take long to cook, so we lower the heat. That reduces the chance of them drying out, plus gives us more smoke flavor. So let's get them in the smoker real quick. We'll just pop this door open. I like to cook on this right about the center rack, if it's the only rack I'm using. And so we're gonna put it right in the center, right next to the latch. Below that, I do have a water pan that's full. The manufacturer of this smoker recommends water being in the pan, so that's what I do. We're gonna close this lid, and we're gonna let them smoke until they hit 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Might take an hour, might take an hour and a half. Right about the last half hour is when we're gonna make our salsa. We want it to be nice and fresh to go alongside of the chicken. So about a half hour before this is all done, we'll jump into making this awesome salsa. We'll be back when it's time to check the temperature. Wow, it's already been 1 hour. I can't believe it. Let's get this door open. See how our smoked chicken breasts are doing. A little quick temperature check. So we're at 130 degrees roughly. Try this guy. 131. So we got 35 more degrees to go. This pan has got a nice amount of juice in there. That's gonna keep our chicken from drying out as well. Let's get this pushed back in and closed up, and let's start making our salsa. Now real quick before we start making it, a subscriber and good friend of mine, I'll just call him by his first name, Mark, suggested I do something with peaches, and I agree. Peaches are one of summer's greatest gifts. And I've got some Georgia peaches that I bought from the peach truck. Can't wait to get into this. You guys are gonna love it. It's so simple and goes really good with chicken. So let's do it. Now, of course, you could do this with any kind of peach. It doesn't have to be from the peach truck. You just wanna make sure they're really ripe. You should be able to smell these the second you walk in the house or the room. Beautiful aroma to these peaches. And I'm just gonna go down the seam here, cut, and roll it. And we'll cut out the pit. Just like this, and then you can pick it out with your hands. If the pit does not come out easily, then that's what they call a clingstone peach. If it does come out easily, then they call that a freestone peach. Why does that matter? Well, if you wanted to grill these, the clingstone are the best for grilling. They're a little bit firmer and they'll hold up to that heat, but we're not going to grill these today. You certainly could. You can also remove the skins. I'm leaving the skins on. I like more of a rustic peach salsa. And we're going to cut these into about 1/2-inch size cubes. So just do the best you can without cutting yourself. I'm just going to start here by getting some 1/2-inch slices. Then I'm going to come across this way. And then I'll come through on these longer ones and just cut those in half, just like that. So I'm going to do that to 3 of these peaches. All right, so there's 3 peaches diced up. Now for the fun part, we get to build the salsa. So we're going to start by using the juice of 2 limes. So we're just going to fresh squeeze it in there. Get every last drop you can out of there. All right, next up, you want a tablespoon of bourbon. As you can tell, I spent Friday night sampling the bourbon, and I mean really sampling it. I mean, you gotta find one that's quality. If it doesn't taste good out of the bottle, it's not gonna taste good in your salsa. All right, where was I? 1 tablespoon of bourbon. And now this next ingredient is optional. It's a barbecue sauce. This is a barbecue channel, so I'm gonna stick with the theme. And it has honey, and it's very spicy. So I would say use the spiciest barbecue sauce you have, or just use some honey and maybe some red pepper flakes. This also came to me from John, who I mentioned earlier, so thank you, John. I'm gonna go about a tablespoon of that. We're gonna whisk it all together. Now I'm gonna add, this is a 1/2 of a seeded tomato. Seeded meaning that I took the seeds out. Put that in. This is about a 1/2 of a Pablano pepper, small diced. About 1/4 of a red onion, small diced. Go ahead and give those a quick mix. And now we're gonna add our peaches. Get all 3 peaches in there. And I've got my gloves on just because this is easier to combine it by hand. And if we do it right, man, that should look awesome. Look at the different colors. Bam. And now you want to give it a taste. See if you need to add anything to it. Let's see how it is. Woo, that's fresh. Just a little bit of heat from that barbecue sauce is all it needs. So this goes in the refrigerator until our chicken's done, which might be 10-15 minutes, and then it's time to eat. I can't wait. All right, weekend warriors, winner chicken dinner. Check out this smoked chicken breast. Beautiful color on it from the rub. You'll see that pan collected all the juices. If we were to cut into this and it was dry, you could just dip it into the juices and it would be fine, but I don't think we're gonna have that problem today. We cooked it to a perfect 165. Let's slice this up and serve it next to some peach salsa and give it a shot. All right, I'll take this guy right here. It's still very hot, so that's why I've got some gloves on. And let's go ahead and slice it up. Oh yeah, that is nice and tender. Juicy. Knife is going through like butter. Wow. That rub and the smoke just smell amazing. Look at that. There we go. Beautiful smoked chicken breast. Very juicy and tender. Let me show you how I'm gonna plate this up. I'm gonna lay out the chicken. just like so. Add a big scoop of our bourbon peach salsa right next to it. We'll give you the spin so you can see how she looks. Just beautiful. I can't wait to dig into this. Let me start with a piece of chicken. Go with this guy. Oh yeah. Perfectly cooked smoked chicken breast. Juicy. I really like the flavor on that rub. Let's finish it off with some peach bourbon salsa. So fresh and delicious. Hey, if you guys like what we're doing over here, hit that subscribe button right there, and definitely check out one of those 2 videos right there, and I'll see you over there. That might be the best thing I've ever tasted in my life. That is just unreal.